Hey guys, in this video I will give you complete tutorial of Yodeck. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Yodeck is a powerful digital signage platform that allows you to create, schedule, and manage content across multiple screens with ease. Whether you are running a retail store, managing displays in an office environment, working in an educational institution, or even operating a restaurant, Yodeck provides a reliable and efficient way to control what appears on your screens. In this walkthrough, we will go step by step through the entire process, starting from creating your account all the way to uploading content, building playlists, customizing layouts, and scheduling everything like a professional. So, if you are ready to get started and take full control of your displays, let's dive right in. The very first step is to visit the official Yodeck website. Once you land on the home page, you will notice a login option in the top corner of the screen. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in using your credentials. However, if you are new to the platform, the better option is to click on the Get Started or Get Started for Free button. One of the great things about Yodeck is that it offers full access without requiring a credit card up front, which makes it very beginner-friendly. After clicking this option, you will be redirected to a registration page where you need to enter your basic details. To make the process even easier, you can sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. Once you complete the sign-up process, you will be automatically redirected to the main dashboard of the Yodeck platform, where you can begin exploring all its features. After logging in, you will see a left-side navigation panel that contains all the important sections of the platform. The first section you will encounter is the Welcome area, which serves as your home page. This section typically provides an overview of the platform along with helpful links and a quick introduction to key features. You will also find an option to add your first screen, which is the starting point for displaying any content. To set up your first screen, click on the Add Screen button. You will be presented with multiple setup options. If you do not have a physical player device available, you can use a virtual web player directly in your browser. This option is ideal for testing and getting familiar with the platform. However, if you have a device ready, it is recommended to connect it for a more complete experience. When setting up a virtual player, you will need to open a browser such as Chrome or Edge on the screen you want to use and navigate to the player page. From there, you will receive a registration code which you must enter into the Yodeck platform to link your screen successfully. If you are using Chrome, you may be prompted to install the Yodeck Chrome extension. This step is important because it ensures that all features function properly and that you get the best experience possible. Now, if I go to All Screens section, you will see here it is saying you do not have any screen. If you do not yet have any screens connected, you can add one by selecting the appropriate player type. Yodeck supports a wide range of devices, including Android players, Fire OS devices, web players, Windows players, BrightSign, and WebOS. Each option comes with clear instructions, making the setup process straightforward even for beginners. Once you enter the registration code and complete the setup, your screen will be ready to display content. After adding your screen, return to the main dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central control panel, giving you a complete overview of your system. Here, you can see the status of your screens, check which players are currently online, and review recent activity. This makes it easy to monitor your setup and quickly identify any issues. Next, navigate to the media section. This is where all your content is stored. You can upload images, videos, audio files, documents, and even web pages. To add media, simply click the Upload button. The platform supports a wide variety of file types, and you can upload multiple files at once, saving time and effort. Additionally, you can access stock images directly from the platform if you do not have your own content. For example, you can upload your company logo, promotional graphics, or informational content to use in your displays. Simply upload your logo and then save your changes, and you will see that your media has been added. Another important section is the Apps area. Yodeck offers a range of built-in widgets and applications that can enhance your digital signage. These include weather updates, clocks, news feeds, social media integrations, calendars, and business dashboards. To create an app, select one of the available widgets. Give it a name and description, and save it. Some advanced features are part of the premium plan, but the free version still provides plenty of useful tools to get started. Once your media and apps are ready, the next step is to create a playlist. A playlist is essentially a sequence of content that will be displayed on your screen. To create one, go to the playlist section and select the type you want. You can choose a classic playlist, a tag-based playlist, or even import content from cloud services like Dropbox or OneDrive. After selecting your media, you can arrange the order in which items appear, set the duration for each item, and customize transitions between them. This allows you to create a smooth and engaging viewing experience. After creating your playlist, move on to the Layouts section. Layouts allow you to design how content is displayed on your screen. For example, you can divide the screen into multiple sections and display different types of content simultaneously. This is particularly useful for creating dashboards or combining videos, images, and widgets in one view. You can choose from pre-designed templates or create your own layout from scratch. Once you have selected a layout, you can name it and save your changes. The next step is scheduling your content. This is where you decide when your playlists or layouts will be displayed. To create a schedule, select the content you want to display and assign it to specific times. You can choose certain days of the week, specific hours, or set recurring schedules. This feature is especially useful for businesses that need to display different content at different times, such as promotions during peak hours or announcements during specific events. After setting up your schedule, you can manage your screens. This section shows all your connected devices and allows you to assign content to them. You can monitor whether each screen is online or offline, group multiple screens together, and push content updates to all of them at once. This centralized control makes it easy to manage multiple displays without needing to access each device individually. In addition to these features, Yodeck also provides helpful resources such as screen tours, media tours, and playlist tutorials. These guides help you better understand how to use the platform and make the most of its capabilities. Overall, Yodeck is a flexible and user-friendly digital signage solution that simplifies content management. It allows you to automate tasks, schedule content efficiently, and control multiple screens from a single dashboard. The platform is suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you are running a small shop, managing displays in a school, or handling large-scale signage operations across multiple locations. To summarize, Yodeck offers an affordable and scalable way to manage digital signage. Its free plan is generous and provides a great starting point for beginners. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you can create professional displays without any technical expertise. Whether you are new to digital signage or looking to improve your current setup, this platform is definitely worth trying. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.